square root simplification. Here is root 72 divide 5 root 72 plus 3 root 28 minus 2 root 648. These kinds of radical expression we have to find out a perfect square. For example, here is 72 root. This one we can write 36 times 2 root. This 36 is a perfect square. We can write this one 6 root 2, right? So step by step we have to find out a perfect square of this radical expression. First one, which we already did, it means this root 72 we can write 36 times 2, okay? And here is 5, similar thing, 36 times 2 plus 3. Here 288. This 288 we can write like 144 times 2, right? 144 times 2 is a 288. So this one we can write times 2. Next, here is minus 2 648. Here we have to find out how we can get a perfect square. For example, 648, if we divide by 2, we will get 324. This 324 is a perfect square, which is once we make square root, we will get 18. Therefore, 324 times 2. So all the portion has 2, right? Now we will simplify step by step. First, root 36, we know root AB, it means root A times root B. We can do this. So root 36 is a 6 and here root 2. Then 5 times root 36 is a 6 and here root 2. Plus here is 3. 144 is a perfect square, which once we make square root we will get 12 and root 2, right? Minus 2. 324 is a perfect square. Once we make square root we will get 18 and again root 2. Very simple. Next, here is 6 root 2. 5 times 6 is a 30 root 2 plus 3 times 12 is a 36 root 2 minus 18 times 2 is a 36 again root 2. So here this plus 36 root 2 minus 36 root 2 will be out. Just simple subtraction. Next, here is 6 root 2 divide 30 root 2. So once we divide this fraction by 6 root 2, we will get here is 1 and here is 5. So our answer will be 1 by 5. Very simple thing. Okay, so these kinds of math we have to find out a perfect square. Then we can easily simplify. So no more today. This video I am trying to solve a square root simplification. This is very important for any kinds of competitive examination like school exam, job exam or admission test. So please subscribe my channel. Here is SatX. You will get lots of math from this channel. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.